The 1050 PI fire is on right to stop in front of the address 18135 South, 1050 West, 18135 South, 1050 West. The driver overshot the road. You're going to have to pursue her in the back of this truck.